Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we're talking about something pretty awesome. A smoothie that's a total game changer for your energy levels. Let's get right into it.
Okay, so are you tired of that mid-morning slump? Or maybe you're looking for a super fast way to refuel after a workout? What if I told you that you could blend up the perfect solution in like 2 minutes flat?
Well, here it is. Say hello to the Golden Bee Vitality Smoothie. And seriously, think of it as a glass of liquid gold. It's just packed with everything you need to feel strong, active, and totally full of energy.
So let's do a little face-off. How does this smoothie stack up against a typical breakfast? Well, instead of that classic crash and burn you get from some foods, this gives you sustained power. You're also guaranteed an antioxidant-rich start to your day. And the prep time? Forget 15 minutes or more. We're talking 2 minutes. It's a no-brainer, right? A clear win for your time and your body.
Okay, so what's the magic here? What makes this drink so powerful? Let's break down the power ingredients and really discover the why behind all that wellness in your glass.
First up, the ingredient that gives this smoothie its name, raw honey. And listen, this isn't just about making it sweet. It's a true functional powerhouse.
Honey gives you this clean, natural source of energy to fuel your body. Plus, it is packed with antioxidants that help protect your cells. It's pretty much nature's perfect fuel.
Next up, we have a really unique ingredient, bee pollen. This is where that golden bee name really earns its stripes.
You know, bee pollen is a total nutritional superstar. It's got protein for muscle repair, it's rich in all sorts of vitamins, and it is full of these things called phytonutrients, which are basically powerful plant compounds that do amazing things for your health.
All right, our next power player, chia seeds. Don't let their size fool you. These tiny little seeds pack a massive nutritional punch.
So why chia seeds? For starters, they're a fantastic source of omega-3s, the fatty acids that are so crucial for brain health. And they are incredibly high in fiber, which is awesome for your digestion and for keeping you feeling full longer.
And finally, to get that amazing creamy texture and another layer of benefits, we've got Greek yogurt.
Greek yogurt brings two big things to the party. First, it adds a serious protein boost, which is great for post-workout recovery or just keeping you satisfied until your next meal. And second, it's got those beneficial probiotics to support a healthy gut. Win-win.
All right, so we've seen the why. Now it's time for the how. Let's go from these amazing, powerful ingredients to crafting your very own delicious elixir.
So, you ready to blend your own vitality? I promise, it's so simple.
Okay, here's your checklist. Everything you'll need. You've got a frozen banana and some frozen mango or pineapple for that creamy cold base. Then our power players, the raw honey, bee pollen, and chia seeds. Next, some unsweetened almond milk and that plain Greek yogurt for the liquid and protein. Oh, and you can totally toss in a handful of fresh spinach. You won't even taste it, I swear, but you'll get all those extra nutrients.
And making it could not be easier. Just 5 simple steps. Here's a pro tip for you. Always add your liquids first. So the almond milk and yogurt go in the blender before anything else. It just helps everything blend way more smoothly. Then you just pile in all the solids, blend it until it's completely creamy, and then add that bee pollen right at the end. That is literally it. Pour it into a glass and enjoy.
You know, the goal here isn't just to give you one recipe. It's about giving you a new daily wellness ritual, one that makes healthy choices not only delicious, but also incredibly easy.
The source material really sums it up perfectly. It calls this a creamy, antioxidant-rich smoothie perfect for breakfast or post-workout fuel. See? It's designed to fit seamlessly into your life, right when you need that boost the most. So when you think about it, what are we really blending here? We're blending vitality. And what is that? It's the state of being strong, active, and just full of energy. Every single ingredient in this smoothie was chosen to help you achieve exactly that.
And that leaves us with one final thought. This smoothie is a fantastic way to start, for sure. But the bigger question is, how will you choose to fuel your vitality today?